How's it going, everybody? Crypto Rick here, and today I just want to talk to you about Bitcoin and the fact that, ladies and gentlemen, we are up over and holding above the $12,000 mark. We saw some peaks around 12,300, so that's great. There's a lot of things happening out there in the blockchain community in the crypto world right now. I mean, the top Bitcoin mining pools are seeing a 15% hash rate drop right now because of the crazy rainstorms in China. As we all know, China is responsible for a large portion of Bitcoin mining. So 15% hash rate drop, actually a huge advantage for anybody out there that's mining yourselves. Them being offline gives you a better chance at securing those blocks. So good luck out there to all my fellow miners. Some absolutely great stuff to see out there. Also, some huge stuff. So as always, I do want to take a second here and make sure that we talk about one of the more important parts of crypto. And that's securing your crypto, not falling for these scams. There's a million things out there looking to secure your Bitcoin. As you can see here, one of the game show winners recently lost 39 grand in a Bitcoin Facebook scam. Stay away from anything that you're unsure of, right? Always do your due diligence. We don't want to be throwing money at something that's an obvious scam. So I really wanted to just show you a couple things, some really exciting news right now. Anytime Bitcoin gets over this $12,000 mark and is able to hold it after it's been a steady increase, the feelings are bull run has been activated for many of us that are holders and or traders. I would be looking for only long positions, right? There's so much inflation going on right now around the world with these stimulus checks and treasury printing just trillions of dollars. It's making people realize, okay, the deflationary status of Bitcoin is something that we're really interested in, right? And the price of gold is at an all-time high too. I mean, we're just a little bit below the all-time high right now. So of $2,011 right now. So really solid momentum on gold as well. So what I would do in this type of situation, if you have your additional funds, if you're ready to jump in to anything, I would get over to your favorite trading platform. So I'm going to, of course, come to my favorite trading platform, the number one trading platform, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is like I brought to you last time, it's Bityard. So I wanted to show you a few different things here. Right now is a great opportunity to look for entries to get into. In my opinion, I'm looking for long positions. I think that we are in the cusp of one of the largest bull runs that we potentially have ever seen, and it could be really healthy for a lot of people. So again, just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that, but I did want to show you just a couple things that I'm looking for. So when I'm trading, I use a very basic price action strategy. So what I do is I find the levels of support and resistance, the key levels that have been represented, or I should say respected, over and over again. So here we are today, but what I look for is, all right, where are the key levels here? So to me, this is a key level. You can see it keep rejecting. So you can just simply make a little line here. Boom. All right. So what I'm looking for here is anytime that price breaks this and stays above it is when I'm entering a long position. Okay. So if I'm in the market for longs, I'm not looking for any reversals. That's how you get caught. I'm not doing that. Patience pays in trading. So boom, here's my line. Here's where it breaks. It holds for the day. I would have entered right here and shot all the way up, right? So it's very basic strategy. If you're looking for sells, you'll do the opposite. You'll look for the levels, the key levels here on the bottom, which would be the support levels, right? So this is the resistance levels at the top. These would be the support levels at the bottom. If it was to break and hold, if I was looking for sells, you could do that, right? So again, in this type of market, I'm not looking for any sells. I'm not trying to catch both ways. I'm not greedy. I would have caught a nice move here. I would have entered at the end of this candle here, so we would have been looking around 10,003 all the way up to 11,129. So, an $800 gain. And ladies and gentlemen, when you're trading on Bityard, don't forget, you get to use leverage. So you could be using 5 times your leverage, 20 times, all the way up to 100 times your leverage here for Bitcoin, which would have been able to get some serious gains. So what I'm looking for here, where's the next key level, ladies and gentlemen? Well, you're looking at her right now. In my opinion, we're looking at a very key level right here. That's basically the 12,000 number. So going above and holding above that 12,000 number is a very, very healthy sign. So right now, to me, we're at a very interesting entry point. Anything around the 12.1, 12.2, you're looking at a pretty healthy entry point. And what you could be looking at as far as, let me zoom this out to a week here for you. What you could be looking for as your next level, so to speak, after 12, man, you're looking at 13. It's going to quickly jump up. Quickly jump up. Once we get over 12.5, 13,000 is going to happen in probably a matter of hours or maybe a day or two. So this is something that I would be looking at as a potential entry right now. It's just something that I look for, right? Especially on price action, it's great because what usually happens, not always, especially in Bitcoin, but what usually happens is you'll see a break and then a retest of it. So especially if this candle closes right around the top and then we see any bullish momentum back up, we're gonna really be in here. I'm gonna use my 50 to 100x leverage here and go pretty hard because quite frankly, why not, right? This is when you want to get in. This is when you want to take advantage of these situations. Also, as I showed you, ladies and gentlemen, gold is at pretty much an all-time high as well. So you can take a look at the same trading strategies, and on Bityard, you can trade the derivatives as well. So what's that mean? Well, take a look here. There's not a huge chart because they just started trading it, but what you can see is key levels breaking up, all right? I would watch it right around this area is where I'm looking for it. If this thing busts, 2,100 or so, the sky's the limit. Nobody knows what gold's going to do for the long term, what the true potential is of it. All we know is getting into a long position on gold has never been better. People that have been in long positions, I mean, look at this. Just a day ago, you could have got in around $1,800, and now you're up over $2,000. So don't forget about your more traditional trading opportunities, your derivatives, your gold, your silver, your oil, right? Now's 100. So the tech stocks in the U.S., again, guess what? 11,300, pretty much an all-time high, right? So you can trade some China stocks. You can trade some natural gas. So there's a lot of stuff that you can actually trade here with the Bityard derivatives now that this is in beta, so it's a brand new feature. This wasn't, I don't even think this was available when I made my last video. So it's brand new. So again, come on over here, check out Bityard if you haven't already. I think it's a really is a great opportunity, a great time to get in. And again, don't forget they do have a demo opportunity. So if you're looking to practice and all of that, please feel free. I want you to feel comfortable with your trading, right? That's one of the more important things that we do is we need to feel comfortable with our trading before we start getting too wild, right? We want to really dig in here and make sure that we are truly comfortable, and that way we can move forward and make our money. So that's really all I had for you today. Enjoy the bull run. Enjoy the 12,000 plus pricing. Enjoy your 2,000 plus in gold. And ladies and gentlemen, more importantly than anything, enjoy your trading profits from Bityard.com. I'll throw the link below just in case you've been sleeping under a rock. We'll get you over here into Bityard. And so, ladies and gentlemen, that's really all I have for you today. Thank you very much for your time. And until next time, everybody, happy crypto hunting.